week's preset of the week comes from the Gift of Tone series. This is Brad Whitford's preset that he uses with Aerosmith with his FM9 on stage. It has some modifications, but how cool is that? Let's take a look under the hood. There are 3 versions of this preset, one for each unit. Since Brad Whitford uses an FM9 on stage, we're going to take a look at the FM9 version. A note that came with this preset says, Brad Whitford's gift contains a preset featuring a selection of amp and effect tones from his live FM9 rig. In that rig, the main amp changes between song sections, while a Ruby amp tone is run simultaneously using a second amp block, cab block, and output. The Ruby settings are included here as scene 6 instead. This preset uses 10 blocks. In 1, drive 1, drive 2, amp, pitch, cab, chorus, delay, reverb, and out 1. There are 6 scenes which cover a lot of ground. Scene 1 is main, scene 2 is last child third, scene 3 is solo, scene 4 is Liverpool, scene 5 is Liverpool lead, and scene 6 is Ruby. There are 3 amp types being used in this preset: the Friedman HBE V2, the Wrecker Liverpool, and the Ruby Rocket. There are 2 cab types, and they both come from the Legacy Bank. Number 148, a 4x12 MAR PR M20B full, and number 57, a 4x12 MAR PR H55 full. Both IRs are from Ownhammer. There are 2 drive blocks that get used together in scenes 3 and 5, which are both lead scenes. Drive 1 is the T808OD, and drive 2 is the Micro Boost. Nice! Scene 2 uses the pitch block for creating the harmony part at the end of the solo in Last Child. If you're the ambitious type, you could take the settings in scene 6 and apply them to the other scenes. That way you'd have the Ruby Rocket rig running at the same time as the main rig, just like Brad does. Now you don't have to use a different output though like he does, although that would give you more flexibility. Okay, let's take this bad boy out for a test drive. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Gift of Tone series, I would get on it real soon. Fractal said they were only going to be up there for a limited time, and they have been up since December. So if you're interested, better get cracking on it. Now this Friday, we'll be having part 9 of the Fractal for Beginners series. We are going to take a look at performance pages and how they can make your life a whole lot easier. Now you do not want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.